Hello guys, we try to continue our series of doing the index and speaking about the events. Now in this video I got some questions concerning how to buy the index. Okay, now I give you an example. This is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. What does it mean? It means it gives you the average of 30 stocks. It means 30 big companies in USA. Now, this is called an index. It's called Dow Jones Industrial Average. You can't buy the index, but you can buy something that tracks the index. And this is what we call ETF, which stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Okay, ETF. Now, the ETF, for example, for the Dow Jones 30 stocks is this one. It's the DIA, which is called SPDR, Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF. Now, what does it mean, ETF? As I told you, it is like a stock. It means you can buy it, you can sell it, you can short it, you can do whatever you want with this. Okay? Now, when you go and you want to buy the Dow Jones ETF, you put just the symbol DIA. You will see that today, which is Thursday, the price is 179, and as you can see, it's going up these 3 days, as I told you, because of the Brexit event. And these 3 days, it's going good. It's going up for 3 days right now. Now, that's it. Now I will give you other index, the major ones. I'm not going to give you industries and sectors, because each group of stocks, like an industry, it has an index that it has an ETF that tracks it. Okay, it means if the stocks in this 30 stocks in the Dow Jones, most of them are going up these 3 days. Okay? But before, they were going down. So the majority of them, this is the outcome. The price, it means the average. Now, this is the Dow Jones, and this is what we call the ETF. As I told you before, you can't buy the index. The index is this. The index is this. It's called Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. It's 17,929.99. Okay, so you can't buy the index, but you should find an ETF that tracks it, which is the DIA. Now let's go to the second one. Okay, S&P 500. This is S&P 500. Standard & Poor's 500 big companies index. The price is $2,098.86. But this is index. You can't buy the index, but you can buy the ETF that tracks it, which is called SPY, SPY, and it's $209.48. It means if you want to buy, as if you are buying 500 stocks at the same time, because this is the average of 500 stocks. Instead of buying one stock or two or three, you can buy 500 stocks. Okay, so, and it's like 500 stocks. So this, you buy it as a stock. It means you can buy it, You buy shares from it, 100 shares, 200, or 5 shares, or wherever you want. Okay? Some people, they do it like an investment for the long run. For 10 years, 20 years, you just buy an index and that's it. You buy it by its ETF and you just leave it. Whatever the market is doing, you will get what the market is doing. If the market is going up in 1 year, you will get that percentage, 10% or 5% or 20% or 30%. It depends on how much this ETF has gone through the market, because it tracks just the market. Now, let's go to the other one, which is Russell, not Russell 1000. Let's see, Russell 2000. It means that we have 2,000 stocks or companies. If you, for example, you want to buy all these 2,000 companies at the same time, you can buy it by using the ETF that tracks this index. Now, what is the ETF that tracks the Russell 2000? What is it? It's called IWM. Okay? IWM, it's $114.98. It means if you want to buy 2,000 stocks at the same time, you can buy the ETF. That's it. Now, if you don't know what is inside this ETF, you just go online and search the IWM, and it will give you all the 2,000 stocks that belongs to. Okay, that belongs to this ETF. Now, there is another thing you can do. If you want to buy the whole USA market or stock market, you can do this, which is called VTI. It's called Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. What does it mean? It means you buy all the stocks of the USA, and this is the average for them. Okay? This is just an example of how can you buy the whole market or one index of the index in the USA. Okay? There is another thing. There are thousands of industries, index, and sector. For example, if you are interested to just, for example, buy gold index or silver index or any other industry or any other sector, you just go online and Google it, and you will find the ETF that tracks that index. I know, if you don't know, for example, you can just search online, or you call your broker and you tell him, okay, I'm looking to buy the ETF that tracking, for example, gold or silver or that industry. Okay? And he will give you just the name, or you search it by yourself, because you need to search what you want to buy from the market. This is for those mostly if you just like something, like for example you like Dow Jones and you can't buy 30 stocks at the same time. You can't, because it's too much money by buying each company by itself. You can just buy index, the ETF, and that's it. Some people, they want the easy things, and you leave it for the future, and it will give you the average movement of those stocks. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, as usual, just ask questions or comment or subscribe if you don't. And thank you very much.